Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nay, and if you're not, welcome back. And today we're going to be doing my lash cluster. Did y'all like that little ASMR? Anyways, so I have my handy dandy little mirror here, and I also have this hair bond glue. I know everybody's gonna be like, it's not safe for your eyes. We know it's just a black culture thing. We love some hair glue for our lashes, okay? You're gonna need those tweezers because you're gonna need to get up under your lash. And also the back really helps with kind of pressing it upwards. I'm gonna show you in just a second. We're gonna zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. All right, so as you can see, hold on, I lack eyelashes like really bad. Like I don't really have I don't have much of anything, so I'm going to try these. Now last time I think I had a C-curl lash or something like that, and it was extremely too long, so we're gonna try these D-curls. I mean, not long, it's just too curly. Like my eyes, I don't know how to explain them, but like the top of my eye is almost extinct when I open it, you know? So these sizes go all the way up to 16, from 9 to 16. I think I'm going 13 down. I'm not fond of super long lashes, so we're gonna see what 13 looks like. So what you're gonna do, hold on, so you're gonna want to take your eyelash and you're gonna want to take, I'm trying to show you, so you see the curve. You're gonna want to take the part, you know how like you'll put it downwards and you'll put it on the bottom. You want to actually put it on the top. So I just like to dip it a little bit, you feel me? You're gonna make sure it gets nice and tacky. Once it gets nice and tacky, we're gonna stick it under your lash, not above, because you don't want it to be visible. So boom, I'm going to stick it up under my lash. I like to press it with the back just to make sure it's secure. So it should look a little bit like that. And this is actually a nice length. I like the length. And I think I'm gonna stick with 13s until I get to the middle section. I'll go down to 11s and then I'll do 10s or 9s. I don't know yet. I'm just gonna let you watch me do the rest of this eye. I don't wanna make it repetitive or anything. I'll let you know what sizes I did on my eye once I'm done. This is what it looks like so far. Now we're gonna go down to 11s. So we were at 13, we're gonna go to 11s. So I have 13s, 11s, and now on the inner corner I'm gonna put 9s. We're gonna see what it looks like once this one eye is done, and then I'll show you what they all look like together. Alright, so I finished this side. As you can see, it is pretty full. I didn't do the very inner corner just because I literally have no eyelashes there. And so I'm gonna do this side and I'll show you the finished product in 1 second. Alrighty, and I just finished both of them. I will say my eye shape is a bit different on this side. This one's a bit more downturned, so I don't know, I like them, I just like this one better, you know. I think they turned out cute. I like how lashes just look on me because, like I said, I have no eyelashes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was, I guess it wasn't really even very educational, but I just hope you enjoyed the video. If it did tell you something on how to do these, then that's great. I'm about to go to bed. It's 11:52 and I procrastinated for about an hour and a half before I finished these, so it's pitch black outside. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you come back for the next one, and I love you all and I'll see you in the next video.